Hi, I'm Annette Harnish. I'm a research biologist with Cascadia Research Collective's Hawaii office. This coming October, our field crew is heading out to Lāna to do some field work, and we're very excited about that.
Over the next few weeks, we'll be diving into the different species that we've tagged off Lāna. Today, we're focusing on bottlenose dolphins.
TT tag 006 was attached to an adult male, HITT 0788 in our catalog, who was first seen in 2010 off Maui. After being tagged off the southeast coast of Lanai, this animal spent most of its time in the channel between Maui and Lanai in waters less than 250 meters deep. From photo identification data, we've been able to confirm that this animal is a member of the resident population of Maui Nui bottlenose dolphins. This population is very small, with an estimated population size of less than 100 individuals, and there is evidence that their numbers are declining. This is likely due to a combination of stressors, including fishery interactions, vessel traffic, and nearshore habitat degradation. This tag also transmitted dive behavior data, which happens to be the only dive data we have for bottlenose dolphins from Maui Nui. From this tag, we learned that Maui Nui bottlenose dolphins tend to conduct much shallower dives than bottlenose off the other Hawaiian islands, likely due to their habitat being shallower. Almost all of TT tag 006's dives were within very close proximity of the seafloor, suggesting that dolphins from this population may specialize in foraging at the seafloor. TT tag 031 was attached to an adult female, HITT 1094 in our catalog, who was first seen in 2007 off Oahu. This animal was tagged off the west coast of Lanai, then moved towards Penguin Bank, shortly hopped over to the south coast of Oahu, then moved back to the western tip of Penguin Bank, where it spent the remainder of its transmission duration. HITT 1094 is part of a segment of the Oahu population of bottlenose dolphins that we refer to as the inter-island travelers. These animals move between the islands of Oahu and Maui Nui, especially the island of Lanai. Based on satellite tag data from the 3 inter-island travelers that we've tagged, they also appear to spend a lot of time hanging around Penguin Bank, though we aren't sure why just yet. We first discovered the inter-island travelers through photo identification work. We noticed that some animals from Oahu were being sighted off Maui Nui and vice versa. Through social network analysis, we learned that these animals were not associating with the resident population of Maui Nui bottlenose, in spite of having partially overlapping ranges. Rather, these animals were keeping to themselves. This aligns with what we found through genetic analysis, which has shown that the two populations are also genetically distinctive. To date, we've confirmed the identities of 79 dolphins from Oahu that have moved between island areas, and based on social associations, we expect that more will be confirmed in the future. We still have lots of questions about the inter-island travelers that we're trying to answer, including why and how often they move between island areas, why they don't associate with Maui Nui bottlenose when they do, and just what it is that they're doing on Penguin Bank. These are all questions that we're going to keep trying to answer, using a combination of photo ID, satellite tagging, and remotely censused environmental data.